As part of the digital manufacturing initiatives at the Department of Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering, we have been awarded an Internationalisation Partnership Award scheme by the Malta Council for Science and Technology. This project has allowed for knowledge transfer to happen between ourselves and our colleagues at the KTH in Sweden. One of the results was a seminar which was held here at university and allowed also for knowledge transfer to occur between the academics involved and the research community and industrial communities in Malta.
This project helped us on actually amplifying our internationalization, and we looked primarily at digitization. We have worked on, for instance, the theme of concurrency, whereby we're looking at the relation between designing products and production systems. Such projects are, of course, very useful for us and for our students, as they can help us to both gain knowledge and also make our work more known at the international level.
One of the long-term impacts of this project is the submission and award of an Erasmus Plus project, which will be starting shortly in the field of digital manufacturing education.